Alright, so now I'm going to talk to you guys about a really awesome plugin that you can use to help you grow and boost your YouTube channel. So this is something I've been using for a while now, and this has really helped me blow up my channel. It's helped me find very, very good keywords that are trending. It gives you tons of recommended keywords and just does a whole bunch of things that are going to help you build your YouTube channel the right way. And it's going to help you get tons of video ideas that you can use in your niches. So it's called vidIQ. And so I recommend doing this keyword process, and it's going to help you find just hundreds of keywords inside your niche and make it super simple for you to research your niche and to come up with ideas and video topics that you can make for your niche. It's going to give you pretty much unlimited topics that you can do. And so I definitely consider vidIQ to be the absolute best for accurate data on YouTube. So there is TubeBuddy and stuff like that, but vidIQ is the one that actually really uses the YouTube API, which means they actually get real search data from YouTube. So that makes it super accurate, because I've tried vidIQ, I've tried TubeBuddy and all the other different ones, and from what I've seen through my experience, vidIQ definitely seems to be the most accurate one. All right, so now I'm just going to show you a little bit about vidIQ and kind of what it does. So right here is kind of your little dashboard area, and it's going to give you all sorts of stats on your channel. So this is my Buy 9 to 5 channel that I'm looking at right here. So it gives you all sorts of different statistics and all of those sort of things, as well as your demographics, some of your top videos, top YouTube searches. It also shows you kind of your best time to post, which is super nice. It shows you trends and views, watch time, ad revenue, all that sort of stuff as well. So really cool there. Then if you click here, it'll show you your videos. So this will show you your videos, your likes, comments. It'll show you your views, and you can sort all of these things. It'll show you the different tags, so you can start getting kind of ideas about what different videos did. And then if you click on it, it'll give you your performances, your scores, and all of those sort of things. And then this is what we're going to be talking about later. So this is the keyword research that you only get with the pro version and over. So as you can see here, these are going to be all the related terms to golf, and this is what we're going to be talking about here in a little bit. Gives you competitive score, overall score. So your competition score is basically, it's going to be the search volume versus the competition. And so the lower the competition score is, the better, because that means there's high search volume and low competition, which, like I said, is going to be very, very important. And then overall score is basically just the overall score. So that's out of 100. So 100 would be the best for that. And so basically that's just their overall score of what would be some of the most attractive search terms in this niche to actually go after. So then beyond that, vidIQ gives you a whole bunch of cool stuff. So if you click up here, you have home, dashboard, uploads, all this stuff right here. And we're going to go over this here later, but just kind of to give you an overview of what it does. And then right here, it has percentages for likes and dislikes on every video. Then you can type in things like golf, as you can see, and it's going to give you overall score high. Volume is pretty high. Competition's actually trending towards low, so that's pretty good. That's not too bad. And that's going to give you the top channels for the search term, top related opportunities. So these are like keyword opportunities that you may have within a certain niche. So just all sorts of things it does. Related queries due to golf. And so obviously you can do this forever, just searching for all sorts of keywords that way. So a lot of different cool things it can do. And we're going to talk a lot more about this stuff later. And so in the boost version, you get this enable inline keywords, which will basically show you keywords for every single video that's ranking. So you can start getting ideas of which ones are ranking the most that have the same sort of keywords. You can also copy the keywords as well. And then if you go in here, it's going to give you all sorts of data as well. Like if you go into your details of a specific video, it's going to show you all sorts of things. It's going to show you the best time to publish on your channel. So peak time, 9 to 11 p.m. is when a lot of my people are on. And then what's really cool here, and we're going to talk about all this stuff a lot more in the growth module. So when we're talking about how we're going to grow our YouTube channel and actually, the SEO tactics and strategies for, blowing up your channel, that's when I'm really going to go through all this. But right now, I'm just going through just kind of an overview of what vidIQ is and what it can do. And so as you can see here, it can show you where you're ranking for all your terms. You can throw in more terms from recommended tags. So this is the area that is only on Boost. And so as you can see here, you can throw in a bunch of keywords that are relevant, and then it'll show you ones that have a good competition score, which means, high volume with low competition. You can throw those in there and it'll instantly tell you where you're ranking. So that's really cool. So like I could come in here and I could click like work for home jobs, and it will tell me that if I put that keyword in, I will automatically rank 5th or whatever. So actually I just came in here and looked at this, and I clicked on this keyword right here and I put it in there, and then I'm automatically ranked number 6 for that video, and I didn't even have that keyword in there. So basically by throwing that keyword in there, I'm automatically ranked number 6 on another search term that I wouldn't have even known about. Again, we're going to talk about a lot of this stuff later. I'm just giving you an overview. And then there's all sorts of things you can do in here. Like if you go in here and click most viewed, it's going to show you the top viewed videos for every single country. So you can do this week, this month, past 6 months, top viewed. And we're going to talk about all this stuff later, but this is views per hour. Then we have all of this stuff here. And then you can also search by channels that have less than 1,000 views or whatever you want to do. So a lot of times you're like, yeah, this video has a ton of views, but they have tons of subs. I'm not going to have that many subs, right? So I'm not going to get that many views like they do. Well, you can literally filter, like this is 1 to 10,000 subscribers, and the videos that have the most views from channels that have 1 to 10,000 subscribers. So obviously that's going to be huge research for you, because you're going to be able to find out in your niche channels that have less than 10,000 subs or less than 1,000 subs, what videos blew up the most for them, what keywords blew up the most for them. So obviously you can see that vidIQ can basically do everything you need to do as far as studying the competition, studying your niche, studying what channels that have small amounts of subs were able to get hundreds of thousands of views, what video, how, and why. So it tells you all of that sort of stuff. So it's really, really helpful. So I recommend all of you at least get the free version, but then that paid version is what's going to get you those keywords and all those things that are really going to help you out. Then I'm going to give you a technique for gathering just hundreds of keywords and video ideas and topic ideas that you can use for your niche in the next lecture. And another thing that's really cool about vidIQ is that you're also going to get all these courses. So they give you a course on everything you need to know about vidIQ and how to get the most out of it. They also do Keyword Research 101 course, complete guide on YouTube custom thumbnails, complete guide to finding your niche for making money on YouTube, for studio and analytics, for how to shoot YouTube videos, for equipment to get started on YouTube, and how to launch your channel in 30 days. So all of those are free courses that come with the vidIQ once you purchase one of the plans. So a lot of cool courses. I've went through a lot of those and I actually learned a lot of cool stuff. So you also get some cool courses in there that you get to go through as well. And if you go and click the link in the description, that'll take you right to this page that I'm showing you right now. So if we look right here, you'll see there's a pro version right here, which is really all you need. So there is a free version if you want to use the free version, but you don't get the keyword search tool. And this is what we're going to be using right here, is this keyword research search tool. And so I recommend getting the pro version. And so as we can see right here, you can basically see what all the different things are that it will do for you. And so you can see based on the different memberships. So I have Boost, and you can get Pro, but I have Boost. And what the Boost does is there's a couple different things it'll do. So in the search results, you can actually see all the tags for all the videos on the actual search results, which is kind of helpful. And you can just copy all of the tags. So that is pretty helpful. And then it also has bulk SEO optimizations, which is nice. It also does SEO title and description recommendations, so it helps you with like what to title and the descriptions you should use for your videos. And then it also has a vidIQ keyword research engine, which basically means while you're in the keywords and you're actually typing them in for your video, it'll come up with a bunch of keywords that you can use that have high search volume and low competition that are relevant to what you're already typing in. And so then it will basically just give you a bunch of awesome recommendations. And so that's what I use as the Boost, but you really only need the Pro version so that you can get the keyword research tool. I really recommend all of you guys get the keyword research tool. So if you go ahead and just click on that right there, it's going to take you into here. And so basically you would just want this Pro version, which monthly it's going to be $10 a month. And so, but you really only need it for 1 month, so you can do the keyword research on the niche that you're going to be doing, and then you can cancel it after that. So you really only need the $10 a month version. If you want the yearly version, then it's only $7.50 a month. So basically you're getting 3 months for free. So, and then the boost version, monthly is $49, which is what I have. And then there's the yearly version, which is $39 a month. So that's how you'll change between monthly and yearly. But I recommend you all at least get the monthly pro version for $10 so that we can go through this keyword process for the niche that you're going to do. And it's just going to open up tons of ideas, and it's going to help you with exactly what you should go after with your titles and your keywords. And it's going to help you really blow up the channel very quickly. So I totally recommend that you guys do this. And then we're going to talk about how you can do keyword research and how you can research your niche without using vidIQ or anything like that. But this just simplifies the process. So we are going to talk through the vidIQ version and then also just how to do it without vidIQ, so you can do it either way regardless of whether you get this or not. So basically all you have to do is click the link down below that says get vidIQ, and then you can basically just either grab the free version or you can grab the paid version. I recommend the pro version because it's going to be helpful for the keyword research that we're going to be doing here in a little bit. But of course, if you can't afford the pro version, you can go ahead and just download the free version. And that will still give you some information that you didn't have before. So the free version is still cool. It's still something that's going to help you. So I recommend all of you either get the free version or the paid version, but all of you should at least get vidIQ because it's helpful for you. So then just click the link, create your account. You'll be able to get it. And then all you have to do is get the either Google Chrome extension or the Firefox extension. And so vidIQ, after you sign up, should provide you with the link to do that. Then I'm going to give you a technique for gathering just hundreds of keywords and video ideas and topic ideas that you can use for your niche in the next lecture.